Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Oliver People's Oliver. The name of the frame is Oliver and the model number for these is the OV5393U. There is also a sunglass version which is the SU at the end instead of just U. I have 3 different colors to show you. There is a total of 5 different colors. Alright, so the first one we're going to take a look at is the 1492 color, which is the black. So it comes in the Oliver People's just standard bag. Most Oliver People's do not come in boxes. A lot of people think they do, but they do not. So it's a nice little brown leather case. It is a hard case. And inside we get the frames. You get the Oliver People's cloth, brown. It's a large cloth. I'll just show you the inside really quick. It's a nice case. Alright, so this is a shiny black, the 1492. This kind of reminds me similar to the Oliver People's Rice. The Rice is a bit more rectangular, but overall it's pretty much the same kind of look. So it does have like a deeper lens. Alright, let me show you close-ups. So it has like these nice little accents here, metal accents. So this is a unisex frame. It's not just, it kind of looks like a men's frame, but it does say unisex all over people. On the inside, on the right temple, it'll say Oliver People's LA with the Oliver People's logo. And at the end, it'll say handcrafted in Italy. Nice. And on the left side, it'll have your model information, OV5393U. The color code will be here, 1492. It says Oliver, because the name of the frame is Oliver. And the sizing information, 51, 19, 145. So what that means, so this one comes in 2 different colors, different sizes. So this one is the smaller one, this is the 51 size. So it's going to be 51 millimeter lens width, 19 millimeter bridge width. It's going to be 40.2 millimeter lens height and 145 millimeter temple length. With the 54 size, which I can show you, I have the same color in the larger size, the 54. So it's going to be 54 millimeter lens width. Sorry, same bridge, 19 millimeters. It's going to be a little higher. It's going to be 42.6 millimeter lens height, and it's going to actually also be 5 millimeter longer here on the temples. It's 150 millimeters. So with the sizing, the 51 is definitely a medium, going on to kind of a large. Like this fits better for me, and I have a large head. Like this one fits better being the larger size, but it is pretty big. So here's like a little size comparison. So it's gonna be what? It's gonna be like 6 millimeter difference width-wise, which makes quite a big difference in sizes. So, you know, 51 is probably going to fit most people, medium size. This one is for larger heads. Like I was considering getting this, but it kind of, it has, I don't know. I have a small nose, so it kind of hits my cheek. It doesn't stay on my face very well. So you definitely, like if you're Asian or something, you need a bigger nose might be better so it doesn't fall off your face. Alright. The next color we're going to unbox real quick is the 1003. This one is the Cocobolo. So being Cocobolo, each one is going to be pretty unique. You're not going to get 2 that are exactly the same. So it's going to be darker in the front. It's going to be the dark brown with light, like amber. The temples are a lot lighter than the front. It has the brown streaks with almost transparent at most parts, but kind of like a yellowy brown. Very nice color. The Cocobolo color is always very popular with Oliver peoples. And I didn't mention, but also on the inside, well, the black one you can't see it, but the metal piece running through it, you can see the it's like triangle patterns on the metal piece here. So like this one, it's pretty dark in the front. You know, some might be lighter than the others. Very nice. Alright, so next one is the 1672 color code. That one is called the Teal VSB. I'm honestly not sure what the VSB means, but like I feel like I remember what it was, but I forgot what it stood for. But this one, wow, that's a unique color. It's very nice. It's kind of like the Cocobolo in a way, but it looks almost like it's like hand painted, like a painting, like brushed on. It's kind of cool actually. Really, really cool looking. So it is a teal with like transparency. And again, I guess this will be really unique to each one. Like you're not gonna get two exactly the same. I think this is my favorite color. Like, wow, it's cool. Yeah, also didn't mention, but you know, it's not spring hinges, so it's not gonna bend out too much. Basically nothing. It is a plastic frame. It's pretty light. It's kind of, you know, heavy plastic, but it's not crazy heavy, but it's not gonna be crazy light either. It's kind of in between. Oh, I just really love the color. So it's like transparent and the blue, like the teal. It looks almost like it's just painted on, like unlike the Cocobolo, you know. So it looks really, really cool. But like the Cocobolo, you know, it is darker on the front and it's gonna be lighter on the temples. But I think it's a nice little contrast there. With the retail price, these do run at what is it? $420. So it's on the cheaper end of all the Oliver peoples, but you know, it's still an investment. It is more expensive than, you know, most brands, but you definitely get the quality. Also the other colors, there's two more colors that it comes in, which I don't have to show you, but it's the other colors are the light silk, which is the 1652 color code, and also the 1011 rain tree. So that's the brown. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Please hit that subscribe button.